This is main overview screen of LNG cargo simulator. You can select whichever operation you want. These are the couple of operations which you can select as exercise. You can increase decrease speed of the exercise from here. Or you can pause it. Then instructor panel can be seen from here. These are the DADUP to DADUP operation, and the instructor can monitor all the inerting operation from here. So let's check the cargo system. So once you click on the cargo, this mimic screen will open, and you can go in various screens. Say if you click on cargo plant, the cargo plant mimic screen will pop up. Then from this screen you can operate anything which is available on this cargo plant screen. Say you want to go on HD compressor, just click on that and you can directly access to the HD compressor. Right now the HD compressor is in trip condition because the airlock system pressure is low and the supply fan for motor room is off. So once I say switch on the fan for motor room, and cargo compressor room, and put the airlock system motor on. Right now it is in manual auto condition. I will put it into manual and I will start the fan. So once the fan started, the low pressure has gone. So now I can come back and or you can check from here that the trip is still there. I need to reset the alarm. So once the reset is done, all the alarms are clear and the HD compressor is ready to start. Then this is LD compressor. Similarly, you can see the trip was active because the fans were not running. So once I reset, the alarm will clear. Now here alarm is there because it's not ready from switchboard because the lube oil pump is not running. So you need to put the lube oil pump in manual and start the lube oil pump. So once the lube oil pump is running, the block is clear now. So let's go on number 2 tank. You can enable the dew point meter. You can enable the portable multi-gas meter and you can measure the readings. Once you disable, this get clears. So Let's go back. Let's select one, say, unloading operation. You will see that the alarm for the cargo tanks has come. So now there is liquid in cargo tank. Let's start one cargo pump. So I will increase the load of cargo pump to 70% and I will start, say, number 1 cargo pump. So you can check the progress of starting of cargo pump from this screen, where you can see which all steps have been completed and which all steps is going to happen. So now filling valve is 100% open. So you can see filling valve is 100% open. Now pump is started in recirculation. So now it is asking permission whether I want to continue discharging. So if I select yes, the branch master valve will open and the filling valve will close. Now since I have not done proper lineup on the discharge side, you can see that the pressure is building up on the cargo pump. At 10 bar, the main cargo pump will trigger.